Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Naturallyads here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning October 10th to the 16th, 2022, using this kit called Boo to You by the PlannerPixieCo. And I'm also using a bunch of foil from the PlannerPixieCo in her lavender hollow equivalent. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the rest of the base to some music, and I'll be back for the day by day. Okay, so now for the day by day, starting with the sidebar though. I marked that I was watching a lot of TV this week with a honeybee shop sticker and a TV binge script from McPlans, and then marked it was week 34 of my maternity leave with a script from PMD Stickers and a maternity leave girl from Bella Plan Ella. So starting with Monday, I marked sleeping in with a pillow icon from Sweet As Paper and a sleep-in script from SBC. And then marked that my husband was working from home with a house sticker from Paper Candy Art and a J working from home script from McPlans. I then marked ordering breakfast for takeout with this breakfast sticker from, could be the Crafty Planner Co, but I'm not sure. And a takeout script from Cardi Plants. I then marked some playtime with a teddy bear icon from Planner Hannah and a playtime script from McPlans. I then marked watching The Good Doctor with a TV icon from Planner Hannah and The Good Doctor script from Inner Designs. I really need to get back to that because I never finished it, spoiler alert. And then I marked a Plan With Me binge with a Fox and Cactus girl and a Plan With Me binge script from McPlans. I then marked feeling snacky with these snack stickers from Cardi Plants. I marked Cuddly and Malik with this PMD sticker character and a Malik Cuddle script from Tilly Journals, which I'm pretty sure I marked the same way the whole week. And then marked getting a Tesco delivery with this delivery cart icon from Paper Candy Art and a Tesco delivery script from Planner Hannah. On to Tuesday, I marked being tired as a mother with this sleeping pillow sticker from Sweet As Paper and a Tired as Mother script from Planner Hannah. I marked getting some breakfast with this teacup sticker from Paper K. Then marked getting ready with this nail varnish icon from Paper Candy Art. I marked watching more of The Good Doctor with a TV icon from Planner Hannah and The Good Doctor script from Lina Designs. Next, I marked watching Scorpion. So I stopped watching The Good Doctor and moved on to Scorpion, which I also didn't finish. We have a Netflix TV or laptop sticker from SBC. I then marked driving somewhere to visit a nursery with this car seat icon from Papershire. I then used this backpack sticker from the PlannerPixieCo to note that we visited a nursery. I then used the star icon from SBC to note family time. The script is from Planner Face. Next, I noted having some cramps with this girl from Joy of Planning. I used the camera icon from Planner Hannah to note taking pictures of my son, and a with Malik script from McPlans to note it was him. And then finally, I noted a Plan With Me binge with this Fox and Cactus sticker and a Plan With Me binge script from McPlans. On to Wednesday. First, I'm filming a Plan With Me with this camera icon from Planner Hannah and a film Plan With Me script from Adorably Amy Designs. Then marked breakfast with a teacup icon from Paper K. Next, I marked that Malik was sick and so was I with this Bubba Bear Studio, so we were still sick. Sticker and a sick script from Happy Sticker Designs, which I do PR for. So use my code ADIAT15 to get 15% off of your order, and a with Malik script from Make Plans. Next, I marked a Plan With Me binge with this Fox and Cactus character, which was perfect for the spread. It's the Spooky Girls, and then a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. I noted doing some Instagram promo with an Instagram button from Crafty Planner Co. Then noted doing some memory planning with this Sweet Avis paper Halloween planning sticker and a memory plan script from Planner Face. I marked watching more Scorpion with a TV icon from Planner Hannah. Next, I noted cooking dinner with the Scribbler, or old school Scribbler, and cooked dinner script from Planner Hannah. I marked cuddling Malik the same way, and then pulling stickers with a sticker sheet sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. and a script from Carly Plans. On to Thursday, I marked being tired with a pillow icon from the Crafty Planner Co. and a script from Planner Hannah. I then marked doing some sticker shopping with a $sign sticker from Planner Hannah and a script from Adobe Limit Designs. I then noted getting some breakfast with this cat mug icon from the Coffee Monsters Co. I just realised I can't block this spread. I only just realised now. In the extender, I used a Fox and Cactus Go and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans to note Plan With Me binge. I think I marked that the same way all week too. Then marked watching more Scorpion with a TV icon from Planner Hannah. I marked an Instagram post with this Crafty Planner Co. Instagram sticker, and then Facebook promo with this Facebook button from the Coffee Monsters Co. Then marked more memory planning with the same Sweet Everett paper sticker and another script from Planner Face. Next, I noted doing some more sticker shopping with a bag icon from Planner Hannah and I bought more sticker script from Carly Plans. Then marked watching Private Practice, so I abandoned another show. I have issues, I apologise, with the stethoscope icon from Planner Hannah. And then finally, I marked doing some planning with another Halloweenish planning sticker from Sweet Everest Paper and a planning time script from SBC. Moving on to Friday. So on top of Friday, I marked it being payday with another old scribbler and a payday script from Planner Hannah. I used a pillow icon from Sweet Everest Paper and a script from Planner Hannah to note not having a great sleep. Next, I noted budgeting, which I do always on payday and sometimes afterwards, but I used this calculator from Whimsy and a script from Make Plans. Next, I noted watching Grey's Anatomy with this injection icon from Planner Hannah and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. And then I watched Station 19, so these were like the live shows with a TV icon from Planner Hannah. Next, I noted ordering some more stickers with a Sweet Avis Paper sticker and an order sticker script from Sugar Box Stickers. I then noted uploading a Plan With Me with a YouTube play button from Planner Hannah and upload Plan With Me script from Sugar Box Stickers. And then I ordered some more stickers. So I used a computer icon from Planner Hannah to note that with a script from Carly Plans. Next, noted a Plan With Me binge with a Fox and Cactus sticker and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. Next, I noted moving on to a new show with this rune icon from Jail in Paper Cup, which I don't think is open anymore, to know watching Shadowhunters. and a TV binge script from Make Plans. I then noted pulling stickers with a sticker sheet sticker from PlannerPixieCo and a pull sticker script from Carly Plans. I then used a pill icon from Planner Hannah to note something which I haven't got written down, so I don't know what it was to mark. I guess I missed it when I was filling in my planner. I don't remember what it's for, so that's a mystery for us all. Then I noted doing some filming with a from a filming clapper icon from Paper Candy Art and a script from Planner Hannah. And then noted that my Tesco order, which I delivered the Tesco order was made with a cart from Planner Hannah and a script also from Planner Hannah. On to Saturday. At the top of Saturday, I marked being tied AF with a sleep mask icon from Paper K and a script from Planner Hannah. I then marked that there was a power outage that morning with a crescent moon icon from Planner Hannah. I then marked eating some Chinese leftovers with this icon from Planner Hannah. The power outage didn't really last that long. It was just the morning. I then used another Shadow Hunters icon from Jail and Paper Co. and a TV binge script from Make Plans to watch more Shadow Hunters. I marked doing some laundry with the icon from Planner Hannah and a script from SBC. I then noted doing some Plan With Me prep with a Olive Studios sticker and a script from Planner Hannah. Next, I marked washing my hair with a Paper Dolls Co. sticker and a script from Planner Hannah. And then I noted retying my hair with another Paper Dolls Co. sticker. I didn't use a blow dryer, but this was the only sticker that I could use that kind of matched the colour. And finally, I noted watching some YouTube for my husband with this laptop icon from Planner Hannah and a YouTube binge with Babe script from Make Plans. Moving on to Sunday, I marked being tired AF with a Paper K bear sleeping and a tired AF script from Planner Hannah, and I used the foldable box from the PlannerPixieCo kit, if you were wondering. I then used a teacup icon from Paper K to note having breakfast, and then I marked binge watching more Plan With Me with the same way that I did the rest of the week. Instead, I used a binge watch script from Make Plans instead of Plan With Me binge, which meant I was probably out. Then marked being moody with this sticker from Stick With Planko and a script from Carly Plans. I used this Clary sticker from Jail and Paper Co. to note more Shadow Hunters. I then marked finishing doing my retie, which I didn't finish the day before, with this GP Studio girl. And then I marked getting my Tesco delivery with this grocery basket sticker from Planner Face and a weekly grocery script from Happy Sticker Designs, who I do PR for. Use my code ADIATI15 to get 15% off of your order. Then marked getting a McFlurry from McDonald's with this sticker from PMD Stickers and a McDonald's script from Planner Hannah. And then I'm filming a Plan With Me with a camera icon from Kylie Plans and a film Plan With Me script from Adorably Amy Designs. So if you haven't, so that's the end of this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of the spread. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.